When you become the enemy of a narcissist, they don't just want to win, they want to crush you. You are posing a threat to them, and that's a challenge to their superiority. They have to utterly defeat you in order to maintain that grandiose delusion. When you end up in court with a narcissist, it's very important that you take the appropriate steps to defend yourself. They will come at you in an extremely aggressive way. The narcissist can put on a good show for a little while, so you need to respond with everything you've got. It's important to be prepared for the kinds of things they will throw at you. To prevail, you'll need to do several things. Let's take a look at just what you can do so that you can defend yourself successfully in court and afterward. Document every interaction. As you go into this process, be sure to document every interaction, every conversation, and every decision you make along the way. Contemporaneous notes are able to be used as evidence, but you may also want to make sure you are noting everything you have said or done with the narcissist. Narcissists will try to engage you to avoid a confrontation in court. By documenting their attempts to contact you, as well as anything they say or do, it can help you get a restraining order if that is necessary, and it is evidence that can be used against them. If possible, you want to make sure you have witnesses to your interactions with them. Let them know that you asked your witness to be present. That will minimize the likelihood of an aggressive confrontation. And if it doesn't stop them, you'll have a witness who can testify in court. Your witness can also act as emotional support for you, too. They can help you stay strong as you must go through this process. It's a helpful strategy for several different reasons. Consult legal professionals. It is imperative that you don't try to go through any legal proceeding involved with a narcissist without legal professionals on your side. You may think you have a clear-cut case and can defend yourself with them, but the truth is that you're much more likely to lose in court without a trained legal professional on your side. Legal professionals know the court system, and they can get the things you need, like a restraining order, much more efficiently than you can alone. There are a number of legal considerations that you may not be aware of, and these vary state by state and country by country. That's why you need legal professionals to help you. Legal professionals are the only people you should be discussing your case with, and you should not be in contact with the narcissist without a legal professional present. These are people who will be on your side, and they can provide objective, knowledgeable guidance every step of the way. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to have legal representation when you are going through a court proceeding with anyone, but especially with a narcissist. Don't try to do it on your own, or you may come to regret that decision. Even if the narcissist seems to be acting reasonably, when things get tough, and they will, you need a lawyer on your side. Get witness statements. Anyone who has witnessed an incident between you and the narcissist should be on your witness list. You want to get as many witness statements as you can about the narcissist's abusive behavior. The more people who have witnessed the narcissist's behavior and can testify to what they saw, the stronger your case will be. The narcissist will hit you with everything they've got to try to utterly destroy you. That's why you have to be prepared to do the same. Witnesses can add weight to your account of what happened between you and the narcissist. You might not want to ask them or involve them, but it's vital to get their statements if they are a witness on your behalf. Your lawyers can get formal statements and depose them before the trial. That also gives the opposition the opportunity to ask questions as well. Your legal professionals can help to prepare them for this process so that they will know what to expect. Have your attorney get subpoenas. A subpoena is a court order that requires a person to appear in person. This is a way to reach out to people so that they will show up to testify on your behalf. Additionally, an individual who receives a subpoena will usually receive an attendance fee for doing so. They can get their transportation to and from the court reimbursed so that you don't have to worry about them being inconvenienced by having to appear. It also gives them a valid excuse so that they cannot be penalized for missing work or school. Subpoenas from allies often supply very convincing proof for your case, and they can play a significant role in convincing a judge to rule for a legal outcome in your favor. Arrive at court early. The day of your court case will be a very stressful time for you. Arriving at court early will help to alleviate anxiety, and it will give you time to compose yourself. It gives you time to take a few deep breaths before the action starts. The narcissist will do everything possible to make you seem like an erratic, volatile individual. But if you come prepared and keep your cool, their efforts will be in vain. There's no doubt this will be a stressful event for you, but by arriving early and giving yourself time to relax, you'll reduce your level of anxiety. This time before the case actually starts will also give your attorneys time to go over any last-minute details with you. They can help to calm down and reassure you during this time. You'll also know that you won't be late. You have enough to worry about without having to be concerned with being punctual. Stay away from the narcissist and close to your advocates. Do not, under any circumstances, communicate with the narcissist without your legal advocates being present. The narcissist may try to get you to talk to them and resolve this between the two of you, but you should not agree to that. Remember that any communication you have with the narcissist without witnesses and your advocates being present can be skewed to make it appear that you have done something inappropriate. Don't give them that opportunity. Stay away from the narcissist and stick close to your advocates. They are the ones who have your best interests at heart. The narcissist has already shown you their true colors. If you want to get an outcome in your favor, stay away from them. Stick to the court orders. Always obey the court orders and stick to what the judge rules. It happens time and time again that a court will rule on your behalf. They will order the narcissist to stay away from you or pay you compensation, but the winning side becomes sympathetic toward the person they defeated, and they don't follow what the court orders. This will not work out well for you if you do that with a narcissist. They will take advantage of you once again. If the court rules in your favor, just stick to what they say. After the outcome, don't see or speak to the narcissist about the court orders. If you have to see them, for example, if you share custody of your children, then always have a witness and stick to whatever the court rules on that matter. If you make an exception, even once, the narcissist will see that as weakness and proceed to take advantage of you time and time again. Don't let them convince you to do anything differently. Always have a witness to any necessary interactions, and if you are in doubt, contact your lawyers to ask them for a clarification. Don't try to solve any disagreements between yourself and the narcissistic abuser on your own. If you're going up against a narcissist in court, they will use every trick in the book to get you to lose your cool. They want you to look like the maniac who caused the problems in your relationship. They want to undermine your credibility. They will often use what they know are your emotional triggers to get a rise out of you. You can't let those tactics work. My 5-step roadmap to heal emotional triggers can help you recognize, diffuse, and heal those emotional triggers so no one can use them against you. This is a valuable tool to help you stay calm, cool, and collected in the face of narcissistic abuse. The added benefit is that the calmer you are, the more enraged the narcissist will become. To get a free copy of this handy guide, just click on the link below the video and I'll send it directly to your inbox. Thanks for watching.